Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Decide the concept and main subject for your Kpop wallpaper before you start designing. Choose a dominant color palette of 3 to 5 colors that match the group's branding. Gather high-resolution images of the idol or group at 300 dpi or about 3,000 pixels wide for clarity. Note the final screen sizes you need, like 1920 x 1080, 1242 x 2688, or 1080 x 2340 pixels. Plan composition, negative space, and focal point placement before opening your editor. Set your canvas to the target size, for example 1920 x 1080 or 1242 x 2688 pixels at 72 dpi. Import your images and use non-destructive layers to preserve edits and source files. Place the main subject along the rule of thirds and leave 1/4 of the canvas for text or widgets. Use layer masks for clean blending and add texture overlays with opacity between 20% and 60% for depth. Keep contrast and readability in mind for icons and lock screen data. Export your final wallpaper as a high-quality PNG or JPG at 80 to 100% quality for best results. Also create alternative crops for home and lock screens, for example 1080 x 2340 and 1125 x 2436 pixels, to prevent awkward cropping. Name files clearly and include a version with safe margins of 0, 125 inches for printed transfers or widgets. Test each version on an actual phone or desktop and adjust brightness by plus or minus 10% when necessary.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.